So hello everyone. Let's let us solve this question. Find the gradient of y is equal to 4 minus 5x. This question is rather simple. Because we just need to write this equation in the form of the um general formula for straight line. Yes, names from straight line. So solution straight line is equation is generally written as y is equal to mx plus c. So m is the gradient, c is the y-intercept. You get. So I will write it in this format, then I will pick my m. I'll compare them. I'll pick my m. So if I'm writing this in this format, I'm going to have y is equal to minus 5x plus 4. Now, if we compare this in this place, you find out that therefore m is equal to minus 5. For this kind of question, it is very easy to get our m. M is the gradient. M stands for gradient. So that is the answer. Thank you.